नमस्ते दोस्तों, दिस इज रोहित सर फ्रॉम किस्मत कनेक्शन। इस वीडियो के लिए आई नीड हेल्प फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू। दिस इज अबाउट our डे टू डे conversation that we do. Our family does, our family member does, our mate does, everybody converse when it comes to money in the form of paisa. हम सब लोग, well not me but majority 99.99% इंडियन पब्लिक्स कन्वर्स इन पैसा। इस जैसे कि किराना शॉप पे जाते हो तो हम बोलते हैं कि इसका कितना पैसा, उसका कितना पैसा देना है। All the movies, all the serials, they have, whenever conversation वो मनी के रिलेटेड होती है तो कितना पैसा लगेगा, कितना पैसा देना है, they never use the word rupees. Now there is a big difference between 100 paisa and 100 rupees. There is a big difference between we never converse in 1 lakh paisa. We always say 1 lakh rupee when we converse in lakhs. But in 99% of the cases is always paisa, कितना पैसा देना है. So whenever, whatever we say, whatever we think, that is get registered in our subconscious mind, and that is what we attract in real life. So if you want to attract the big amount of money, then आप daily converse कीजिए rupees में, इसका कितना रुपया हुआ, उसका कितना रुपया हुआ. Anyway, nowadays there is hardly anything is available in the form of paisa, 10 paisa, 50 paisa, apart from few chocolates probably. But 99.99% of the items are basically in rupees. तो हम लोग क्यों बोलते हैं पैसा? हम why can't we say rupees? इसका कितना रुपया हुआ, इतना रुपया देना है, इतना रुपया लाना है. So start conversing in rupees in your day-to-day affairs, and start attracting rupees. Get your subconscious mind, start attracting rupees, start registering rupees form. There are only few countries in the world जैसे कि इंडिया है, पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश, and most likely Nepal and Sri Lanka. They use lower denomination in day-to-day conversation in the dealings. If you look at Europe, if you look at UK, US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or even the Middle East, they always converse in their higher denomination, which is pound, dollar, euro, dinar वगैरह में converse करते हैं. They never converse in pence or cents. They always converts in their higher denomination. But only हमारे यहाँ पे साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में हमारी कंट्री है जो लोअर डिनोमिनेशन में डे टू डे कन्वर्सेशन करती है. जैसे कि मूवीज वगैरह भी, serials, they all keep bombarding us with the paisa, but not with the rupees. So whatever, लोग बोलते हैं कि whenever you say do something for 21 times, you get registered and you start attracting that. तो अभी तो ऐसा हाल हो गया है कि हर जगह पे लोग पैसा पैसा पैसा, तो वी पैसा इज रजिस्टर्ड वेरी फर्मली in our subconscious mind. So we need to deregister that and register rupiah. So प्लीज फ्रेंड्स, दोस्तों, आपको आप ये वीडियो वायरल कीजिए अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स या घर पे जो काम करते हैं मेड्स वगैरह, सब लोगों के साथ ये शेयर कीजिए. उनको बोलिए कि आज से रुपया ही बोलना है, पैसा नहीं बोलना है. And also share in your WhatsApp groups or any other group so that we can start this movement in India at least, and uplift our wealth, graph of the bar. And I can guarantee you that everybody starts conversing in rupiah, then our mentality will be changed and we will all start attracting money in rupees form and not the paisa form. Second tip I want to give is, earlier also मैंने ये tips दी हुई है कि whenever you give money, you say number 708. I have seen many videos where people say that 708 बोलना है, and when you are receiving you say 136, but hardly anybody mention what is the 708. 708, बोलने से ऐसा कुछ होगा नहीं, but you should know the meaning of 708. सो जब भी हम किसी को रुपया देते हैं तो वी शुड इन माइंड वी शुड से 708। 708 का मतलब ये है कि हम लक्ष्मी जी आप जिनके घर जा रही है खुशी खुशी उन घर के उन वो पर्सन के घर पे जाइए, उनका लाइक बनाइए एंड तुरंत ही मल्टीफोल्ड होके वापस हमारे घर आइए। So that is the long sentence, but to make it short, the 708 number, and 7 plus 0 plus 8 becomes 15. That is equal to 6. Now 136 is again we when we receive the money we have to say 136. So basically what that means is कि हम लक्ष्मी जी को अपने घर में उनका स्वागत करते हैं। लक्ष्मी जी वेलकम टू माय होम, जितना हो सके हमारे घर पे रहिएगा। That is the full meaning of 136. But to make it short, when we do transaction, any transactions that is आप online करते हो, चेक लिखते हो या कैश देते हो, तो always when you are giving 708 and when you are receiving 136, start practicing that and you will thank me that how this has changed. So two things I want everyone to start practicing from today and also in your circle. Stop saying paisa, start saying rupees. And second thing is while transacting money, 708 when you are giving and 136 while receiving. 136 ka total hota hai one. Number one is, generally we say the new beginning. I hope this helps you, and I really, really wish that you all share this video so that we all, uplift our livelihood and we start attracting monies and not the paisa. Thank you very much, friends. This is Rohit Sir from Kismet Connection.